This is an introduction to the Adinkra alphabet system. My name is Charles Crunchy. This is the title page of my book, Adinkra Alphabet. The book introduces the Adinkra symbols as alphabets and their hidden meanings. The slide shows the Adinkra alphabet vowels. The slide shows the Adinkra alphabet consonants. The slide shows the complete Adinkra alphabets. The first symbol is the Adinkra alphabet. After that is the Adinkra symbol from which the alphabet was derived, the original Adinkra symbol. And below that is the corresponding English alphabet. This slide shows the modified symbols. These 5 symbols were significantly modified from the original Adinkra symbol from which they were derived. So we have Nyamidua, Kintinkanta, Emredane, Asasiedu, and Besesaka. The other alphabets were just slightly modified from the original symbol. The Adinkra symbols are used in Ghana and other parts of West Africa. The Adinkra alphabet system is modeled along the English alphabet system, as English is a language of instruction in Ghana. On these following slides, we will be talking about the name of the symbol, the literal meaning of the symbol, and the symbol that you see. The first symbol is going to be the Adinkra alphabet. Below that will be the original Adinkra symbol from which it was derived, and after that will be the corresponding English alphabet. There are no capital or small letters in the Adinkra alphabet system, and the first letter in a word can be artistically designed as needed. So this is Adinkra Hine, chief of Adinkra symbols, and it is assigned to the letter A. B in Kebi, bite not one another, is assigned to the letter B. Owofra Drobe, snake climb the raffia palm, is assigned to the letter C. Dami Dami, name of Ghana's 10x10 checkerboard game, is assigned to the letter D. Eban or fence is assigned to the letter E. Fahudie, freedom, is assigned to the letter F. Jinyame, except God, is assigned to the letter G. Hwimudia, measuring stick, is assigned to the letter H. Esine Tekrama, teeth and tongue, is assigned to the letter I. Epa, which literally means handcuffs, is assigned to the letter J. This symbol predates slavery. Kintinkantan, puffed up extravagance, is assigned to the letter K. Emredane, time changes, is assigned to the letter L. Mpatapo, the north of reconciliation, is assigned to the letter M. Nchemu, or divider, is assigned to the letter N. Nyame Bibi Wasoro, God somethings in the heavens, is assigned to the letter O. Pimpam Sie, soul to preserve, is assigned to the letter P. Denchem, or crocodile, assigned to the letter Q. Asasiedu, the earth is heavy, is assigned to the letter R. Sankofa, go back and take, is assigned to the letter S. Aya, or fern, assigned to the letter T. Nyamidua, tree of God, is assigned to the letter U. Besesaka, sack of kola nuts, is assigned to the letter V. Wawaba, seed of the wawa tree, is assigned to the letter W. Akokonan, the leg of a hen, is assigned to the letter X. Diafe, wooden comb, is assigned to the letter Y. Firanka, house or compound, is assigned to the letter Z. Again, this is the title page of my book, Adinkra Alphabet, to get an understanding of the reason behind assigning a particular symbol to a particular alphabet, and also to get an understanding of the hidden meaning behind the symbols. Please get a copy of the book. The book is available on my website, www.adinkraalphabet.com. and also on Amazon. Please visit our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/Adinkra. Thank you.